In this session, let's create the predicate delegate in the program. So for that, I have taken the one new file, that is the lambdas with the predicate delegate here. And then in this file, I have taken the one class, and then I have taken one main thread. So instead of that, I have taken the one anonymous method here with the followed by the lambda expression. Then after that, I have assigned to the my custom delegate, that is a check availability. So if you observe that this check availability, it is taking the one input parameter. Okay, so this is the one input parameter, and it is the returning the one boolean, right? So in this case study, I don't want to use the my own delegate, that is a check availability. So I wanted to use the predicate. So we know that the predicate delegate is a built-in delegate in C# that takes the one input parameter of type like this, and return the type boolean value, okay, like this. So in this case study, I would like to take the predicate, not the custom delegate. Okay, so now let me copy this code here and paste here, and let me comment this code here. And here I wanted to use the predicate delegate. Okay, so you see that predicate delegate here, t I am taking as a string. Okay, so you don't worry about the out parameter, always it returns the boolean value. Okay, so this is the way you can design this. So what does mean here? So I am checking the order name along with the available items. In case order is available, returning it is a true, otherwise it is returning a false. So now I am calling this is available. So now let me call this delegate, that is the is available. And whenever I'm calling this, try to understand here intelligence. Okay, so it is expecting the string object. So the way how you are communicating this order name like this, and anyway it returns the boolean value. Okay, so like this I am right now I am calling the pizza here, that's it. So this is returning the boolean value, so that's why I am taking the boolean value here is order available, something I'm taking the some reference for this. And let me print this is order available, is order available. Okay, now if you see the output, I'm keeping the breakpoint here 43. Let's start. So let me see the what is going on here. So if you see that order name, that is a pizza, I'm checking that pizza in the available items. Okay, so if it is there, then it is returning the true, so it is returning the true, right? So then this order available, it is taking the true value, and simply I'm printing this order is available, so that we can see the output like true. So in this way you have to use the predicate delegate the situations where if you would like to get the return type either true or false based on the your condition.